The Samsung 130-inch, the premier ultra-short throw 4K UHD smart triple laser projector, is redefining the concept of home entertainment. It's designed to deliver a theater-grade viewing experience without the bulk of a massive television or complicated setup. Just a few inches from the wall, this projector can transform any space into a stunning 130-inch 4K cinematic screen that looks sharp, vibrant, and immersive. The build is premium, compact, and elegantly minimal. It's crafted to blend seamlessly into modern living spaces while offering serious performance. Because it's an ultra-short throw projector, it can sit right below the screen or wall and still deliver a massive image, removing the need for ceiling mounts or messy cabling. At its core lies Samsung's triple laser technology. This system uses independent red, green, and blue lasers to generate incredibly pure colors, ensuring exceptional contrast and lifelike tones. Combined with 4K UHD resolution and HDR10+ support, the visual quality is nothing short of stunning. From deep blacks to radiant highlights, every frame looks cinematic and incredibly detailed. Whether watching a blockbuster, streaming a show, or gaming, the visual depth truly stands out. Sound performance is just as impressive. The Premier includes an integrated 4.2-channel audio system with a total power output of 40 watts. The audio is rich, full-bodied, and dynamic, giving a sense of surround immersion that makes additional speakers optional. Dolby Digital Plus enhances clarity and adds that theater-style depth, creating a perfect pairing with its powerful image quality. On the smart side, Samsung has packed this projector with Tizen OS, the same interface used in their smart TVs. It's fast, intuitive, and supports popular streaming platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and YouTube right out of the box. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, connectivity is effortless. You can also use Alexa voice commands to control the system hands-free, making the experience even more seamless. Brightness is a crucial aspect of any projector, and this one doesn't disappoint. With 2,800 ANSI lumens, it performs beautifully in both dark and moderately bright rooms. The image remains crisp and vivid even when there's ambient light, which makes it perfect for everyday use, not just movie nights. Combined with HDR10+, the result is a stunning visual punch that feels natural and balanced. Setting it up takes minimal effort. Automatic screen alignment and focus adjustment mean you can have a perfect 130-inch image in just a few minutes. There's no need for calibration or technical know-how. Just place it, power it, and watch it auto-tune itself to deliver flawless geometry and focus. Durability is another major advantage. The laser light source is designed for around 20,000 hours of operation, which translates to years of consistent performance. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, there's no warm-up time or dimming over time. It powers up instantly and maintains consistent brightness and color accuracy throughout its life. Even on a plain wall, the image quality impresses. But pairing it with an ALR, ambient light rejecting, screen enhances contrast and depth even further, turning any room into a high-end home theater. For movies, sports, or gaming, the performance is unmatched in this category. The Samsung 130-inch, the Premier, isn't just a projector. It's a complete cinematic solution. It combines high-end laser projection, smart functionality, and impressive sound in one elegant setup. Designed for those who want the power of a big screen without the limitations of traditional displays, it's a premium piece of technology built to deliver both form and function. For those ready to upgrade their home entertainment to a new level of quality, this projector offers one of the best all-in-one solutions available today. True 4K resolution, incredible brightness, and immersive sound come together to create an experience that feels futuristic yet simple. Check the description below for the purchase link and bring home the next evolution in entertainment.